Welcome everyone to HFN. Today's January the 6th, 2020. I got some breaking news coming out today about Baidu and their launch of their own cryptocurrency, SUPERCHAIN. We're going to talk about this particular news development and can it impact the overall price for Baidu. Okay, the last time we did our video in Baidu was all the way back in May 2019. Actually, it was May 27th, 2019. So it is due for an update from our perspective as to whether or not Baidu is still a buy. And with the launch of this cryptocurrency, it very well could be. So thank you all for coming to our channel. If you guys appreciate the video content that we are producing, before you go, hit that subscribe button, like and share the video. Join us on our Facebook page, our website, HueFinancial.com, as well as on Twitter and Instagram in order to make sure you stay updated on the many price developments that we are getting from the price chart. This is the location to where we trade different, and as well, we are your trusted source of news by the price chart. So now, literally, the social media platforms are abuzz about this recent development of Baidu finally and launching their SUPERCHAIN blockchain cryptocurrency. They have been in the planning stages all the way back since 2018 or 19, and now today the market for Baidu is official. This article right here was from Tim Copeland. About 2-minute read, not too much, but this SUPERCHAIN, as Baidu has called it, it runs on masternodes, meaning that there's only a couple of computers that is operating the chain of SUPERCHAIN. So it's not really decentralized, in which, you know, any one of us can pick up a node and try to mine or run this protocol on our computers. It's only a certain amount of computers that I guess they approve in terms of working this protocol. Now, according to Baidu, the blockchain is capable of supporting more than 10,000 transactions per second from the white paper. And also, they have more than 50 patents for the blockchain platform. So they're ahead of the game. I mean, I wonder if this just confirms the fact that Facebook Libra is going to be launched, and as well as many other companies are going to create their own cryptocurrencies, i.e. blockchain, to get on this bandwagon for technology. This just confirms it. Baidu, their SUPERCHAIN, also has its own block explorer where you can look at transactions on the network. So it seems to be that China is trying to be standalone in terms of this cryptocurrency blockchain technology, I guess, to where they cannot be hindered in terms of their economic viability and in terms of hacking or whatever the case may be. The SUPERCHAIN platform is also designed to support blockchain-based applications similar to Ethereum. So I wanted to show you how the marketing, well, the social media platform has been abuzz about this recent launch of SUPERCHAIN, and literally on Twitter, you know, you have a lot of tweets coming out about the launch of SUPERCHAIN. You guys can tell right here, I guess, where the official notice came out during an online product launch that was held in 2020, January 6th. Baidu announced the SUPERCHAIN. So it is definitely being seen on a day-to-day basis that digital currencies are going to be unstoppable. And if you don't join the bandwagon, you will be left behind. All right. So this was the article written in Chinese, and I just wanted to pinpoint some of the things about this SUPERCHAIN that they note. The first thing that they claim this SUPERCHAIN open network can do, some of its advantages, is that it's autonomous, security is highly reliable. The second thing is that it is flexible and convenient with a low threshold. You can use the blockchain technology without building a chain, while providing rich contract templates and powerful functional components. Third thing, The cost of flexible payments is low. Now, with flexible payment capabilities for computing and storage resources, flexible billing can be achieved on demand and by volume. Last thing is that the nodes that is allowed to execute the blockchain are open and credible. It is composed of a super alliance of nodes distributed throughout the country. At present, there's only 7 computers or supernodes, including Chishiha University, IQ, and other authoritative institutions. They don't give you the names of those institutions. It must be government-owned institutions. Now, at the same time, it has open access to the community and has strong credibility. So, massive news in regards to Baidu. Now, the question is, can the stock react to this news of it creating its own superchain? So let's take a look at the price chart and find out. Now, just to be honest and show you, the last time we did our video, like I said, was May 27, 2019. And we played our forecast in Baidu on a weekly price chart. And you can tell that we were expecting the market in Baidu to continue to see those lower prices, and we hit our ultimate TP price numerous weeks. Right there. We got a playlist, so you can go back and check out that video if you want to see what we said. So 12.26% was had into the market on that particular forecast all the way back in in May. So let's get rid of it. Now, this is the weekly price chart in Baidu right now, and you can tell that we are finding this stock hitting resistance right around this particular level. Let me do that again. So we're looking at some resistance into the market in Baidu right now. Okay. Now I wanted to draw this line so you all can tell where that resistance area currently lies in this space. And it's around $140, right? That's why on this current weekly bar, we're seeing some indications of some sellers entering this space to try to keep this price suppressed, which it can be successful. I mean, when you look at Baidu on a monthly price chart, you get that same type of depiction of how this market is running across resistance. So we are acknowledging the fact that the market in Baidu now is coming across resistance. Hence, it can fall back down to lower prices. But for the long term, and then with the advent of this blockchain for Baidu, can it achieve breakage higher above $140? That's the question that we're going to answer in the market for this stock. And currently we are definitely looking for that to play out. But from a risk basis, we know that $140 is where the resistance currently lies at in space. So with all that being said, we want this market in Baidu to make sure that it trades above around $115. As long as the market in Baidu trades above that, this $140 location for resistance will be broken to the upside as we trade throughout 2020. Okay, and then ultimately we're looking for the market in Baidu to come up here towards $155.85, somewhere around there. So let's see how much of a TP that would be. So that'd be about 15.62 profit into the market for Baidu on our forecast. Okay, so definitely we are eyeing the market in Baidu to continue to see some higher prices. We're going to hold some TP around $155, which would be the next resistance area once Baidu breaks above 140. Okay, so we are acknowledging from a risk perspective that 140 can hinder the market in Baidu from moving higher. So that's just the chance that you have to take in order to see the market in Baidu move higher. So this is it. Baidu has a new blockchain, a new cryptocurrency We are coming across resistance right now at 140, but as we go throughout 2020, we're definitely looking for this market in Baidu to pursue some of these higher prices. Okay, so this is it. If you guys want to see it on a weekly time frame, you can play this on a weekly as well if you want. This is it right here on the weekly time frame. Okay, questions, comments, let us know. Make sure you always maintain your profitability, and I'll see you on the next one.